Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. Today, we're looking at how to prevent unauthorized access by managing active sessions. With the Ultimate Security plugin, controlling who is logged in and where they are from. Make sure you have installed the Ultimate Security plugin. Now, navigate to the plugin sessions, then log in and authentication, and select Session Management. This feature is essential for preventing credential sharing and detecting if your account has been compromised. By managing sessions, you ensure compliance with single-user licenses and keep your site's front door locked tight. First, toggle the Enable Active Logins logic to On. This starts the tracking for all active user sessions on your site. Next, set your maximum active sessions. For higher security, we recommend 1 to 2 sessions for admins. Let's set ours to 2. Read the recommendations before you set the session numbers. Once you've made your selection, hit Save Changes. Your new session limits are now live. Now, let's see it in action. We are going to try to log in on a third device. As we enter our credentials and click Login, Ultimate Security blocks the attempt. The user is notified that they've reached their limit and must log out of another device first. It's that easy. Secure your WordPress site today with Ultimate Security. Download Ultimate Security plugin, link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more security videos.